Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on strain energy and we consider strain energy in simply supported beam with point load. A problem statement is determine the strain energy of prismatic beam AB for the loading as shown in the figure. Take E equal to 210 gigapascal. Take E equal to 210 gigapascal. So this is a loading diagram and the cross section of the beam given in the problem. We see AB is a simply supported beam with a hinge support at point A and roller support at point B, and there is a point load at point C which is at a distance 0.75 meter from point A, and the total span of the beam is 2 meters, and this represents a cross section of this beam whose width is 150 mm and depth is 25 mm. So in the problem we have been asked to find the strain energy U. So let's solve the problem. Let us first assume the two vertical support reactions at point A and B denoted by VA and VB respectively, and let us assume that both the support reaction is upward. So our first step is to determine support reactions. Now applying the static equilibrium equation, we have, now upon applying the static equilibrium equations, summation of all moments about point A is equal to 0. So now writing the moment of all the forces and couples about point A, we have our sign convention is clockwise moment is positive and anti-clockwise moment is negative. So about point A we have the first clockwise moment caused due to this downward force of 150 kN acting at a distance of 0.75 meter from point A. So we have 150 into 0.75. Next we have anti-clockwise moment caused due to this upward vertical support reaction VB acting at a distance of 2 meter from point A. So we have minus VB into 2, and summation of all this moment is equal to 0. Upon solving this, we get the value of VB as 56.25 kilonewton, which is positive. This denotes that our assumption is true and the vertical support reaction VB is upward. Next we apply another static equilibrium equation, which is summation of all vertical forces is equal to 0. So now we'll consider all the vertical forces acting on the beam. Our sign convention is upward force is positive and downward force is negative. So we have VA plus VB minus 150 kilonewton downward force is equal to 0. Now upon substituting the value of VB from this in this equation, we have VA plus 56.25 minus 150 is equal to 0. Upon solving this, we get the value of VA as 93.75 kilonewton, which is positive. So again, a vertical support reaction VA is upward. Next we determine the strain energy stored in the beam, that is U, and we know strain energy U is given as integral of mx square dx upon 2 EI, where mx is bending moment about any section in the beam. Now we know for the simply supported beam the bending moment varies all along the length of the beam, but we see that bending moment variation changes abruptly at point C due to point load. So we say point C divides beam into two parts, and we need to take two sections, that is between point AC and CB, so as to have two bending moment equation. So we can write strain energy of this whole beam AB is equal to strain energy stored in the part AC plus strain energy stored in part CB. Now to determine strain energy stored in part AC, we take section x1 at a distance x from the hinge support A, and writing the bending moment about section x1, considering the left hand side of section, we see that bending moment about section x1 is equal to, we have a clockwise moment caused due to this upward vertical support reaction at a distance x from section 1. So we have VA into x, which is equal to 93.75 into x, and this equation will be valid between point A and C. So strain energy stored in part AC of the beam will be given as integral from 0 to 0.75 meter into mx1 square dx by 2 EI.